Power runs good. Intake's on, exhaust's on. Everything works. Took it out last night. We got late. Sun went down. Couldn't see anything. Headlights work. They don't shine at all. They're pointed like this and they need work. Sander got me fancy LED headlights. No idea how they go in. But I see some screws, so I'll take those off. And I think I need new clips. Alright, let's see how it works. So I unplugged it from the back, but I think I gotta take this bezel off. Those screws right there. They're obviously rusted. Oh, that came out. I'm gonna for sure lose one of those. Oh, okay. I believe I'm missing this top adjuster because of that. Okay, that was easy. Got a new pair, so I'll swap that too. And they came with the screws. That's good because I don't have one. They're kind of loose. But sure, let's get a new headlight. So these are the new ones. Huge, solid metal heatsink in the back, LED, and I hate the ones that are all like tiny bulbs everywhere, or the ones that are black even. These look pretty good compared to the originals. That I believe just plugs in. I'll check that later. Oh, do I have brackets? Oh, okay. As you can see, I've never replaced one of these lights in my life. No idea how this goes together. So this is the outer piece. This is the bulb, and I'm swapping this. This I need. I wonder, this is aluminum. I'm gonna go take some, I don't have steel wool, do I? Alright, so I got this white diamond metal polish. Stuff works awesome. You might only actually just need some cleaning, but all this crud on there. I mean, it's better. I'm just trying to get it clean right now. It's not gonna shine much. Cool. I did a fluids flush on the differentials and I painted the covers because I'm got nothing better to do with my time. No reason to, just I like them. This stuff smells amazing. It's like sweet, but it's got that like, I don't know if anyone else likes that like chemically smell that cars very often give off, like oil and crud and grease and coolant and all that. This has that like chemically smell to it. There's a little dent there. I'm gonna ignore that. I think it was on top. Oh. Okay. They're all there. So, new light bulb. It's like this. And like this. Oh yeah. And then this goes some way. Okay. Sure. Let's find out. Oh, where'd I put the bolts? Okay. That's not lining up awesome, but sure. And ooh, yeah, that's my polishing may have bent it a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Just tighten it up and it'll straighten everything out. Oh man, I'm excited. I can drive this in the night again. Or for the first time ever, really. That I can figure out later. What's this for? I'm assuming there's a little hole there. Yeah. Ow! Okay. Like that. Let's do those screws first. And this. So this is up and down, which I'll have to adjust later. This is left to right. I'm just trying to get it somewhat flat. Oh yeah, look at that. Not going anywhere. Sure. It's pointing this way. Can I adjust those with this on now? That's not on, but okay. Oh yeah, I can adjust it later. Okay, so let's put this back on. Oh yeah, you can really tell it's not straight now. Because I'm remembering now, I don't think I have footage of the previous headlights. So I'm probably gonna leave that one like it is and wire this one up, and then we'll have a perfect side-by-side. Just enough to hold the plastic, because I have learned over and over and over again how brittle stuff like that is on old cars. I don't know why I'm wiping that. It's got a cover on. There we go. Now it's looking like a headlight. I'll leave those on until it's adjusted. Actually, no, it's gonna get hot. Oh yeah. Those really look like they don't belong on this truck. I mean, compared to factory, they don't look that different. Obviously glass and I believe plastic. Yep. Good plastic, but plastic. Wire this thing up. Will it even turn on? I think these have like a whole thing. You can wire them into the indicator to get like some effect. I don't know. Before, after. Just completely different. And here's the high beam. Needs some adjusting still. I think it's too high, but just completely different brightness. So much nicer.
Afterwards, we simply wired the daytime running lights to an ignition 12-volt source, and the yellow wire to an indicator source just tapped off the turn signal.
Woo! Now that's some brightness. Love the line. Super nice. Let's see if I can get high beams on. Whoa. Very bright. Nice.